Factor completely. If a polynomial is prime, state this: x squared minus 13x plus 36. If this factors, this will factor into the product of two binomials. And the first term in each binomial will be x, because the x times the x will give us the x squared. The last terms, the product of those numbers will be 36, and the sum of those numbers will be negative 13. You can make a chart of all the pairs of factors of 36 and their sums to find which ones add to negative 13. Note that they'll both be negative because a negative number times a negative number is positive. A negative number plus a negative number will be negative. We can see that the numbers we want are negative 4 and negative 9, because negative 4 times negative 9 is positive 36. Negative 4 plus negative 9 is negative 13. If we multiply this out, x minus 4 times x minus 9, we would get x squared minus 13x plus 36. So this is the factorization of the polynomial.